Hey everyone, I'm going to do a remake video of sorts of my 52-inch Moss WF, and no, this is not the one that Hungworthy Hunter Chesapeake is over there. It actually, that one's in storage right now, but this one is a recent acquisition or trade from fellow collector Jonathan Finn. Thank you very much for picking this up for me. And as you can see, I added a light kit to it. It's got a nice schoolhouse light on it. I've used that globe before on many other fans that you've seen in here. And I think this fan was mounted on a swag kit, because look at that hole's been punched out in the canopy. And, there's the top of the motor right there. I don't know if you can see the tag or not, but that's how it works. There's the GE vent pattern right there, and the reverse switch. And the light fitter is actually manufactured by Moss. And there's the blades. Both sides are plain. And these tips look slightly different than the other one I have. I mean, the other one had stencil on the other side, but this one is built a little bit more square on the sides than do the other ones. And notice the poles on it. I got them at Walmart for use in my brother's house, but he did not want them, so I thought it'd be cool to have, and I figured I'd get my money's worth out of them. Bulb represents the light, and that obviously is for the fan, which I think is really cool. And I'll turn the light on for you. See that? Now, I'm going to leave the light on during demonstration because for some reason it's stuck. It's set to on. It's kind of stuck in the on position. But I'll have to get a new switch unit for it. Pick one up at Lowe's or something. I didn't have a globe lights available for it because that would have really looked like my childhood Moss WF. Sold at Harts, H-A-R-T-S. I don't need to buy an E, have to buy an extra vowel, if you will. But anyway, I'm going to rev the fan up for you. First on low. And we'll try it on medium. Starting to gain some more momentum. Yeah, I guess it has like the same RPM as did my other one for high. Starting to feel some more air coming out of it. And speaking of which, let's bump it up to high, shall we? It does have a slight wobble too, but nothing wasn't as bad as before. Wow, can you feel that? Feel that breeze. Yep, it cranks out a lot of air like a good Moss fan should. and we will power it down. Have a little spin down race. I have a feeling the hunter's going to stop first. That's because I have it set to a lower speed. And the moss is still spinning down. I'd like to find one of these in polished brass. Okay, fan has stopped. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.